All right, the drink we're about to make is called a rusty nail. Let's go ahead and fill an old-fashioned glass here with ice. And we'll measure out 1.5 ounces of scotch. There we go. And follow that up with 1/2 ounce of Drambuie. So we've got our 2 ingredients from Scotland here. We'll go ahead and stir that up. And get it nice and cold. Get some of that ice dissolved in there. If any ice cubes pop out, don't worry. You don't need all of them. Okay. And now we're going to take a lemon peel and go ahead and rim the glass with the juice from the lemon peel and twist it in. Add a straw and bottoms up.